It is the duty of Her Royal Majesty Queen Romana Didulo I's government to uphold and protect the natural rights and freedoms of all individuals as enshrined in the principles of natural law. So to the entire world, this applies to you. By Admiralty law, there's only natural law. Any other law does not exist. It's only natural law. The gravy train is over. The word citizen is kaput. Section 1. Effective immediately, all individuals is to be recognized and referred to as nationals rather than citizens. That's effective immediately and retroactive July 1, 1867. Section 2, the term national is to be used to signify the inherent sovereignty and autonomy of every individual without any implication of subservience or obligations to the state. Okay? So the term national, that is why all Kingdom of Canada's national. You never heard me use the word citizen. Now you know why. Section 3. All laws, regulations, and policies is to be revised to reflect the new terminology, ensuring the rights and freedoms of nationals are upheld and protected. Section 4. This decree is to take effect immediately and is to be binding on all individuals and institutions within the Kingdom of Canada and the world. Signed, Her Royal Majesty Queen Romana Didulo I of the Kingdom of Canada, dated today. Divina Anima 280035, Admiralty Law, that is now KAPUT, is June 23rd, 2025. The Kingdom of Canada and the world, congratulations. Under natural law, you're nationals. You're not citizens. Any laws, any acts, any legislations, etc., are now effectively null and void, where it refers to we the people as citizens rather than nationals. Did I read the rationales already? Just kidding. Yes, I did say I was going to read it after the royal decree. All right, here we are. Royal decree rationales. 1. Restoration of individual sovereignty by eliminating the term citizen. Her Royal Majesty Queen Romana Didulo I is restoring the inherent sovereignty and autonomy of every individual, free from the constraints of debt-based governance and admiralty law. 2. Promotion of natural law. The royal decree attempts to promote. It's not attempting. It is promoting the principles of natural law, which emphasizes the inherent dignity and autonomy of every individual and the importance of protecting individual rights and freedoms. 3, it says here, challenge to existing power structure by issuing this royal decree, Her Royal Majesty Queen Romana Didulo I is challenging the existing power structures and institutions that have perpetuated the debt-based governance and admiralty law, and seeking to establish a new order based on natural law and individual sovereignty. It's not seeking. I'm already here. I'm the reigning monarch under natural law. I do not seek your permission. For establishment of a new structure and order under natural law. The royal decree is a step towards the establishment of a new structure and order based on the principles of natural law and individual sovereignty, and free from the constraints of existing power structures and institutions that have perpetuated debt-based governance and admiralty law. Those are the rationales. I think at one time there was I call that a hit piece from India, where it said, the video said, Queen Romana Didulo of the Kingdom of Canada, at that time they said Canada, is working to remove the enslavement of Canadians. She was accurate. Because since I have begun issuing the royal decrees, and before that, my work has been and had been all about removing the enslavement of the we the people, not just of the Kingdom of Canada. I only said Canada first, but that's for the entire world. But to remove the shackles and to cut the chains that have been put in place there by the admiralty law and those who were happy to perpetuate the enslavement of the we the people of the Kingdom of Canada and the world. By their admiralty law, they were able to, with the use of the word citizen, for example, they were able to enslave the we the people, unbeknownst to all the citizens. That's what it meant. That time is over. Natural law, here you are. Congratulations, everyone, and congratulations to the we the people of the Kingdom of Canada. Our kingdom is the template, showing the entire world how to liberate the we the people from a structured, systemic design and very strategic enslavement structures put in place by admiralty law on those who were happy to perpetuate enslavement via a false narrative, the use of the word citizen.